Hello, everybody. Welcome to this learning series. In this learning series, Android engineers will learn how to use Kotlin Multiplatform in practice. We aim to teach about Kotlin Multiplatform based on the feedback and opinions we have received from you. So let's dive into the world of Kotlin Multiplatform and explore its vast potential. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform Learning Series for Android engineers. Today, we're going to delve into what Kotlin Multiplatform is and why it's gaining popularity. Kotlin Multiplatform is a revolutionary toolkit provided by JetBrains. It's designed to allow developers to write code that can be shared across multiple platforms. This includes Android, iOS, web, and desktop. Interestingly, as of November 1st, 2023, Kotlin Multiplatform has reached a stable release. This is a game changer in the world of cross-platform development. But why is it particularly relevant now? We're going to explore that in detail. Now let's talk about why Kotlin Multiplatform is now being targeted specifically at Android engineers. As smartphone engineers, we often face the challenge of implementing the same features on both Android and iOS platforms. However, this process is, fraught with problems. For instance, implementations may not align perfectly with iOS, and the same process has to be written twice, once in Kotlin for Android and again in Swift for iOS. Kotlin Multiplatform emerges as a potential solution to these issues. It offers the flexibility to be applied partially and can be adopted incrementally. This means that as Android engineers who are already familiar with Kotlin, you are in a prime position to lead the adoption of Kotlin Multiplatform in your projects. Throughout these lectures, we will cover the technical aspects of Kotlin Multiplatform, supported by tutorials and sample code to give you a comprehensive understanding. So stay tuned as we embark on this exciting journey to master Kotlin Multiplatform. Whether you're a seasoned Android developer or new to the platform, this series will provide valuable insights and skills to enhance your development toolkit.